I'm Tanya Brown. I'm the school director of Stockton Educational Center, and we just are coming to the tail end of our first field trip of the 2023-2024 school year. Thank you so much, West Lane Bowl, for providing an amazing space and a great time for our students to get together, play, have an awesome time to compete with each other or with themselves and learn a new life skill of taking turns and cheering each other on. So thank you again, West Lane Bowl, for our first field trip. It was a success, and thank you to my staff.